Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, I have a quick and fun core workout that requires no equipment and can be done almost anywhere. It's to the beat of the music to make it a little bit more fun. Let's get flexy and strong. Okay, first exercise is plank up downs.
I wanna say, hey, it's a new day, it's a new day. I wanna say, hey, it's a new day, it's a new day.
And cobra push-ups. Next, we're going to be doing wide push-ups into close push-ups. Good. Tabletop dips. Good job, you guys. Keep it up. Next is pike shoulder shrugs. Make sure you're pushing up high in your shoulders.
It's a new day, it's a new day. I wanna say, hey, it's a new day, it's a new day.
Our next exercise is going to be pike push-ups. So stay in this position, and you're going to try and touch your head down on the floor in front of your hands. Here we go. Touch your head in front and push to open. Good. Back to those cobra push-ups. Next exercise is going to be tricep dips again. And here we go. Good job, you guys. Thanks for working out with me. Let me know in the comments on a scale of 1 to 10 how hard that workout was for you. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more daily workouts just like today's. Bye!